In this video, we're going to talk about conversational marketing and, if we're honest with each other, even conversational sales. I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can up your conversational ability and strategy in just minutes with 2 new HubSpot conversational templates. Are you ready to dive into some conversational HubSpot templates that might blow your mind? Then hey, you know what time it is.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
That's right, it's your boy George B. Thomas from SprocketTalk.com bringing you yet another HubSpot educational video brought to you by the amazing team over at Impulse Creative. If you're a sales, marketing, or service professional looking to learn more about HubSpot and inbound strategies to help your business grow, then guess what? You're in the right spot. Make sure you subscribe to keep learning more and use the comment section below to ask us all the inbound and HubSpot questions that you may have. Now, let's go ahead and get into the good stuff. Conversational marketing is all the rage over the past couple years. Many companies have jumped on board while others have, well, not yet so much. Now, no matter if you have been doing conversational marketing or you're sitting on the side of the pool and thinking, the water looks really nice, should I dive in? Today's topic just might help you either way. With that said, let's dive into HubSpot and show you how to find the conversational templates and explain what you can do with each one of them moving forward. So as you can see, I am in the asset marketplace, and to get there, I came over to the marketplace icon and I went to asset marketplace. Now, the easiest way for you to find the conversational templates as well as other things that we've created at Sprocket Talk is to leverage the search field right here and just simply type in Sprocket Talk. As you can see, when you get to Sprocket Talk, you're going to see that we have a couple things here, but 2 that we're talking about today: the conversational content and conversational landing pages. So let's go ahead and dive into conversational content first. The conversational content template embeds a HubSpot chat flow into the page and displays it alongside of your PDF or video content. This template and module is a perfect solution if you're looking to do things like gain more intelligence about your prospects, lock down PDF assets such as a webinar deck, present your videos alongside a live chat or chatbot dialogue, or even drive prospects to the next stage offering in your funnel. The result is a seamless experience where prospects and customers can engage with your live chatbot flows while still viewing your content. Also, you're going to see that there is conversational landing pages, and so let's go ahead and talk about conversational landing pages next. Combine the worlds of conversion-based landing pages with the ease of use of chatbots and live chat. This template and module combination will allow you to transform the HubSpot chat widget into an embedded element on your website or landing pages. You can embed the conversational landing page module into any website page. This is a perfect solution for conversational landing pages for use with social and paid advertising, embedded live chat sections on content pages, or replace forms in conversion areas of HubSpot hosted pages, and developing a key piece of your chat strategy. So if you're ready to see what is truly possible with conversational marketing and sales when it comes to your HubSpot hub, well, jump in, grab the template or templates you need, and start marketing and selling like it's 2020, because actually it is 2020. Hey Sprocketeer, did you like this video? Then make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell as well for instant notifications so that we know that you're part of the Sprocket Talk community. And make sure you head over to SprocketTalk.com for more actionable and tactical HubSpot user resources. It's been an absolute pleasure, but until next time when we meet in the next video that you're gonna watch, make sure you're focused on being a happy, helpful, humble human. Yes, be a human. And as always, make sure you're doing some happy HubSpotting.